Yes, this man said he did married to a Jamaican woman. And we are going to get that, we are going to get down in this story right now. I am going to read the story and then me I go share my views on it. Big up to all of my Donnas them. It's Donna Marie. Me I go run out panda one year. And me nah miss a thing. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Hey, hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Me I go make one tune for this, for that channel here. That is it. Big up to all of my Donnas them. This man say indeed married to a Jamaican woman. And me I go read this story. I'm going to share my views on the topic here. It might get me up in my feelings a little bit because as some mistake, sometimes when me I talk about a story, it get me in my feelings. Me not telling like because me a human and we share views, we share values. And sometimes you might be a talk about a situation and it might be, maybe go through similar or something like, close to it, where me come and me defend the other person. So, not pay me in mind if you not see me getting in my feelings. Me a human. All right. Let's see how this go now. Let me read the story for now. I'm married to a Jamaican woman. We are still married, but she's always threatening divorce. She never talks things out. She's always silent. She's always yelling at me. Is she always silent or she always yelling? Saying bad things to me, withholding sex from me. Just the other day, she tells me she don't like me. Always mean to me for absolutely nothing. I am fighting, trying to save my marriage. I have never been this disrespectful. Please help me. What should I do? I don't want to just quit on her. We have been married for 3 years and have 2 babies. All right, so this person here, I don't know what to tell you, but typical Jamaican woman, if them not happy with you, them are gonna hold up them nash from you. That a typical Jamaican, like they don't want nothing from you because them inner them feelings. And any woman this way, them vex. A lot of woman not just going just throw and say, hey, because yeah, me and your cuss to them, you can't just give you. But let me tell you something. As a woman, we have children. If it have to be something for me can't just get up and in my feelings every day with the person when I have 2 babies with. Sometimes as a woman, you're overwhelmed. Let me go in, I'm a thinking mode now. And me I go use my feelings to judge the situation. And to be honest, I am not a counselor. I mean I want to give you may I give you tell you what me would I do, but you don't listen to me because I'm just telling you. I'm just gonna explain to you what could actually get me to be upset every day. I can't see myself getting upset every day. I cannot see myself um just shut down and be mean to my husband. Let me tell you, a lot of women when they have children with a man, Jamaican woman, if you listen to that video here and you one of them person that don't afraid to tell me say me wrong or me right, it's okay. But as a Jamaican woman, knowing that me been around so much woman in my life at Jamaica, me have a whole heap of family, me have a whole heap of friends, me know a lot of people. So my family huge and put myself into it. We will be frustrated if things now go right in the house. Typical woman, and not just Jamaican woman, but I'm just saying typical woman. We will get frustrated if things now go right in the house. All right, the kids them, the pressure upon me with the baby them, but still me have to do the housework. You now help do certain things that can cause me to be frustrated. Like you get up every day and you know see things that change. Like serious, like all right, bills in the house to pay. I don't know if you stand those bills in the house. But if she have to work and she have 2 people to take care of, she have to do everything in the house as a woman. sometimes that can be frustrated because if you're not help with the children, them, remember, we don't know if a 3 years on the married for, obviously a two like a baby that. Then, you know what I mean? It's too like a baby. So at the end of the day, them are gonna need that support. And if you step in and help she, it will ease like a burden off of your head. So if you play the card right as a man, then that won't makes you frustrated. There's something, and it's good for you to ask your partner what is going on with them. If you see your partner acting a certain way, if you see your partner acting a certain way, ask them. That is a big, 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 big factor in a relationship. Your partner look a certain way and it's like you don't asking, it's like you don't care. You it's like you're acting like you don't care. Sometimes as a woman, we like attention. And if it depends on how you argue with the attention, you have to reach out to us, meet us partway because sometimes we don't want to talk. Sometimes we hurt. And if we talk about it, we might cry. But when you have that caring compassion and you say, babes, what happened to you? Catch it in the bud before because when you're in a one relationship and you and your partner not talk, it gives them space to think about other things. It gives them space to even go cheat. It gives them space. So it's good when you and your partner can actually make up. Me now go tell you say, oh, me and my partner always make up because when you come on to sometimes with my thin skin and things can drive me to be very upset, especially if you say something or you tell a lie for me or certain things. Me now go just run and forgive you for you. Go do it another time and go do it tomorrow. And go do it tomorrow. So sometimes me we hold it against him like just stay out of my way a little. Just stay out of my way, give me space. You understand? Make me cool off and please myself. Sometimes me do that. I'm not gonna lie to you as a woman. But for me is a happy person. I have to get up every day and vex, vex, vex. Sometimes even if me don't want to talk to you, that no means say me hold you in my heart and me vex and my face long. No. Me still wash, me still cook, me still do everything the same. And if you have a conversation with me we talk. It's just that you're gonna know say me I keep my distance. You understand? But it must be something that you are doing that you need to ask she because if you don't talk, you won't know. It's good to get in your partner's skin as as a man, get under them skin where you know when them, things are off. Ask them. It's very important and it softens with heart to know that you don't care as a man. When you just left your woman there, you know that woman is petty. A lot of women are very petty. So as a man, you're supposed to be that backbone where you stepped in and said, baby, what happened to you? Why you look like that? If you feel like, say, and you know do her nothing wrong, and she just look a certain way, stepped in. That's where you stepped in. And as a woman of dignity, me I tell you that. Stepped in and just say, babe, even just come and give them a little hug and say, what happened to you? Hug them and looking at them face like, what happened to you? Put for your face round to them and say, what happened to you? Why you look so sulky? Yeah, all right. Rub them leg or rub them your foot at you. What do you? Ask them questions. Communication is the key in a relationship. Me can tell you that. Me like to be fun. But teeth and tongue, I got meet in a relationship and life don't perfect. But when you and your partner not talk, it give you room to think otherwise. As well as she can have a man too. But me now go jump the gun. She might see somebody out there what she like. Cause if you not play your card right, might as well she gonna look different ways. But if she have two little young one, maybe that's not the case. Maybe that's not the case. But just focus on being there for she, help with the children, then play a part in the house. If you know you use the plate them and the plate them in the sink and the plate them one watch, step in and wash up the plate them, help out. A lot of men don't want to do those kind of stuff. They're not helping. My husband will wash up plate. He not clean the house, he not scour bathroom, but when he come onto the kitchen, he will wash up the plate. No, he now go wipe up and then something there. But plate in a sink, pot for wash, I him that. So it's good as a man you stepped in and help your wife or your baby mother or your girlfriend, whichever one you want to call it, help with the house duty, especially if she work and you work. Oh God, that's even worse. Make a woman frustrated. Two little baby, she have to go work. You know, drop off kids at daycare. Me no know the situation because you never give me enough to work with. So I'm just working for, what me get. Just help, man. But if you stepped in, I if you help. Don't left the pressure upon the woman, cause trust me, when let me tell you, a woman leave you in their head before they mentally leave you. And if you keep on making her upset every day, it's obvious to say you are not her happy place no more. So it's not that you can't reverse, but you have to put in the work. Yeah. A woman mentally left you before she walk out her relationship. She make up her mind and say whatever it is, she ready for it. So just know that, pay attention to them things. Support your woman just like a man support. A woman can be very supportive, way more than a man. When I ask me, I tell you because me's a woman. And I've known a lot of women who genuine and would have been there for them partner, but them don't get that back. And when you as a woman, I put in the work, and you not get it back, eventually I go burn out. And people with randomly come tell you, oh, if it is genuine, then you wouldn't burn out. Like, what? You are a human being and you constantly a give, and a push in a relationship, and you not do what you're supposed to do. Eventually, it will get tiring. Relationship is a job. To keep it together, it's a work. You're not asking me, I tell you, it's a work. Oh, so that is it. Wanna let me know in the comment section what you think. Big up on yourself, Madonna. Hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. I wanna drop on the thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic here. I mean, maybe me leave off some things when I want to say, me not say everything, but it's like we as a woman, we as emotional creatures. A lot of us. I can say 90% a woman is emotional creatures, and we look for that support when we have a partner. We want them to be there. It doesn't matter how much money you make as a woman. You want your partner to stand with you and be there. You have a lot of women say, oh, I am independent. Of course, I work my own money and everything, but at the same time, would I love for my partner to be there for me, um, and show me that support. Get me little roses, take me out on dates, um, things like that. Do look at things to your partner will help bring them up and make them feel perks. Buy them, look a gift here and there. Could I even want chocolate? It's not what you give is the thoughts that count. Show us say you care. You understand? Is that you don't have to go buy me one Louis Vuitton bag and one Gucci sneakers and because we not care about density. The fact that you're on your way from work and you pick up one stalk of rose and care can give me, that is important in a lot of relationship. Some people don't mind it, but some do. Come with me and you go to the park. When the kids them for go to the park, come help me get them ready and let's take them to the park and then go play. Look at things. As a man, do look at things with your wife and your children them and that will help them. Cause nobody now run from good. Nobody now run from good. We don't see that happen. It have to be something. Two people have to come together and can communicate. And if you're not communicating, then that is a big problem. Communication, they always say communication is the key in a relationship. But yeah, trust and communication is a big part of your relationship. Big up yourself. Talk. Bye.